Hi and welcome to another project. Today I'm showing you another project. Basically the Figma was given to us by our client and we converted it into Nextjs, and I will show you how pixel perfect we have converted it into Nextjs. So basically this is the main layout, the main Figma page, and you can see how it looks like. Basically this one is the first hero page and I will show you how we converted it. So basically this is the page which converted, and you can see how good it looks like. It is basically pixel perfect Figma to Next.js. Now I'll show you, basically I will go through and I will show you how many pages are there and how they looks like. So basically this was the entire Figma which was given to us by our client and we converted into Next.js. So I've added these all three in the first page and I'll show you how they look like. So basically this is the support page, and if I go down to the setting, this is the setting page. If I go scroll down to this one, this is another page. It is a fiverr.com similar type of website, but the design was not made by us but already given to us, so we just converted it into Next.js. And you can see you can even check, I will give you the Figma link in the description as well, how pixel perfect same it looks like. So this is the chat page also, and if I go to basically different stuff, and if I show you one more, I will show you that after login page you can see how good it looks like. You can also check, like I'm not showing you the entire project but I am showing you just how good it looks like. So basically this is another apply section page, and if I show you this one, you can see how good it is. So if you want us to do any of your projects, you can contact us on our WhatsApp or on our email. You can see this page as well. If I click here, you can see scrolling and different pages here. So basically, if you want us to make any of your project, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video.